Today's Leela Dhyana, Mahadeva is gracing us in Nanmada Kudal. Means the Leela is the Varuna, the Lord of water, and Indra, Lord of gods. Both of them conspired and wanted to destroy Madurai. They sent a huge cloud towards the city of Madurai from all four directions to attack Madurai. At that time, Sundareshwara, Shiva, appeared and made the cloud itself as a protection structure and took care that cloud doesn't rain. They lose the ability to rain. So the cloud itself became a protection structure. That is the Leela. Mahadeva is gracing us in that Leela. The decoration is done such a way that today we remember that Leela as a Leela Dhyana. Two of our Krama Brahmacharis are enacting the Leela. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nithyananda.
Nithyananda Dhyanapitham, Nithyananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nithyananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.